these are 3D toys printed from a 3D printer, and this is a spiral clone fidget toy, and it's made from environmental friendly plastic. These are perfect toys for the kid. And this is a printed helix, a decompression toy, and this is a pyramid toy. So these are in orange color, and you can easily print them with the 3D printer. And these are very interesting fidget toys nowadays. You can just put it like this, and these are recommended for children from age 4 to 18 and above. These are also a perfect decoration. These are made from 0.6 mm nozzle, and I would prefer to make the thing glide really smooth. It's pretty smooth, but still it needs a little more working. And you can see that these are very interesting to play with. The fidget toy offers versatility in displaying options. So this is also a stress relieving toy, helping to relieve stress and promote focus. In kids, whether you're looking for a calming activity or a way to keep your hands busy, this toy is the perfect solution. I can also print these for you and send you if you are interested. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.